Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajki Arkiv School. Dear students, in our last session we have started our new lesson, that is money. Okay, and also we have completed exercise 3.1. So let us take one recap of the last session. Okay, now in the money lesson we have learned 1 rupee is equal to, yes, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, then we have seen all the types of coins and money, rupees. Okay, see here, this is the coin of 50 paise. It is a coin of 50 paise. Then identify this coin. Yes, it is a 1 rupee. Okay, it is a 1 rupee. Then see this coin now, what it is, see the number. Yes, whether it is rupees or coin, sorry, no, paise. Yes, it is a coin of 2 rupees. Here you can see it is written rupees, it is written. Okay, then see this coin, it is a coin of 5 rupees. It is a coin of 5 rupees because here 5 number is written and below that rupees is there. Okay, so it is a coin of 5 rupees. Next, it is a coin of 10 rupees. Okay, it is a coin of 10 rupees. Then in the last session I have shown you some notes also. See this note. Yes, what it is written on the note? 1 rupee. It is a 1 rupee. Here you can read here 1 rupee. So it is a note of 1 rupee. Next, see this note. What is the written on the note? It is a 2 rupee. Okay, it is a 2 rupee note. See this note now. It is a 5 rupees note. Okay, it is a 5 rupees note. Then on this note, what it is written? Here, which number you can see? Here 10 is there. So means it is a 10 rupees note. Next, also I have shown you a note of 20 rupees. Okay, see here, this is a note of 20 rupees. Here you can see number 20. Okay, and it is a 20 rupees note. Then we have seen the 50 rupees note also. Okay, see this is the note of 50 rupees. Then 100 rupees note. Here the number is 100. 100 number is written on the note. Okay, so it is a note of rupees 100. It is a 100 rupees. Then after that we have seen 2 more notes. See this note. Which number you can see here? Yes, it is a 3-digit number. Read this number. Yes, it is a 500. And see here, symbol is there. Which symbol you can see here? It is a symbol of rupees. It is a symbol of rupees. Okay, so what it is? It is a 500 rupees. Okay, it is a 500 rupees. Then finally we have seen this note. Now which note it is? Yes, how many rupees are there? Here you can see here the number, 4-digit number it is. Read this number. Yes, it is a 2000 and the symbol, see here symbol is there also. Okay, so this is the note of 2000 rupees. It is a 2000 rupees. Then after that we have solved exercise 3.1. Okay, and in that exercise we have seen how to write the value in figures, and after that we have seen how to write the value in words. Okay, now today we are going to see how to convert rupees and paise. Okay, conversion of rupees and paise. So let us see how to do the conversion. Now you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Already I have told you 1 rupee is equal to what? 100 paise. To convert into paise, multiply the rupees by 100. See what we have to do. Suppose we have to convert into paise, multiply the rupees by 100. Suppose the value is written in the rupees, and that value if we have to convert into paise, then we have to multiply the rupees by 100. Means we will get the value in paise, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So if we want to convert the rupees into paise, then what we have to do, just we have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees, then we will get the value in paise. Okay, see here one example is there, rupees 16. Now this rupees 16 we have to convert into paise. So what you are going to do? Yes, just we have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees. Okay, now here how many rupees are there? Here 16 rupees are there. Okay, and that 16 rupees we have to convert into paise. So what we will do? 16 into 100 paise. What we will do? 16 into 100 paise is equal to. Now if you will do the multiplication, or while teaching the multiplication lesson, in that I have told you, if we have to multiply it by 100 to any number, then write the number as it is. Here 16 is there, so write the 16 as it is and just give 2 zeros to the right side of the number. So 16 into 100 is equal to what? 1600. So 16 rupees means what? 1600 paise. 1600 paise. So one thing you have to keep in your mind, if you have to convert the rupees into paise, then what you are going to do? Just you have to multiply the rupees by 100, then you will get the rupees into paise. Okay, but suppose to convert rupees and paise into paise, multiply the amount in the rupees by 100 and add the number of paise to it. Now here easily you can write, or easily you can convert this 16 rupees into 1600 paise just by multiplying 100 to the rupees. But suppose the value is given in the rupees and paise. Now here see example number 2. Here rupees 13.75 means here rupees are there and paises are there also. Okay, so what you are going to do? Now we have to convert this 13.75 rupees into paise. So what you are going to do? Just you have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees only. Okay, now see here rupees 13.75 means how will you write this? Is equal to rupees 13 and 75 paise. Rupees 13 and 75 paise. Now what is our rule? Now we have to convert this into paise. So what is the rule? We have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees only. We have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees. Now here how many rupees you can see? Here 13 rupees are there. Okay, so we have to multiply it by 100 to the 13 only. Okay, so 13 into 100, 1300, then 1300 paise. Now we got 1300 paise. Then in that just we have to add this 75 paise. What you are going to do? Just you have to add this 75 paise, because now we have converted this 13 rupees into paise. So here we got 1300 paise. Now here in this 1300 paise we have to add this 75 paise. So do the addition. 1300 plus 75 means 1375 paise. So in this way, to convert rupees and paise into paise, multiply the amount in the rupees by 100 and add the number of paise to it. Okay, okay. Now here if money is written as, see here, rupees 13.75, then to convert into paise, simply remove the dot. Now see here, the money is written in this way, if the money is written in this way, rupees 13.75, and then if you want to convert this money into paise, just you have to remove the dot, just you have to remove the dot, then you will get the then you can convert this rupee into paise. For example, here this example only we will take. Now here it is written in this way, rupees 13.75 is equal to what? Just we have to remove this dot, means 1375 or else 1375 paise. Yes, what you have to do, if money is written as rupees 13.75, then to convert into paise, if you have to convert this into paise, simply you have to remove the dot and you have to write here symbol for paise, because now this money is converted into paise. So here just you have to remove this dot and you have to write here P. P stands for paise. Okay, clear? Okay. Now here one more rule is there. To convert paise into rupees, simply put a dot before the second digit from the right. See here, to convert paise into rupees, simply put a dot before the second digit from the right. Now suppose here I have 1680 paise. Now this paise I have to convert into rupees. This paise I have to convert into rupees. So what you are going to do? Simply put a dot before the second digit from the right. Now see this is the right side. Now what you have to do? You have to convert this paise into rupees. So what you have to do, from the right side before the second digit, this is first and this is second, from the right side, this is very important, from the right side, first, second, this is second, before second means here, means after 16 you have to give dot, so it will be converted into rupees. Now here 1680 paise is equal to rupees 16.80. Just you have to give a dot before the second digit from the right side. Okay, then you can convert paise into rupees. Clear this point? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. Here one more example they had given us. See here, example number 3. What is the example? See this number, 2078 paise. Now this paise we have to convert into rupees. Then what you are going to do? Yes, you are going to do, you are going to give a dot from the right side before the second digit. Now here from the right side, second digit is 7. Okay, so before 7 you have to give one dot, then it will be converted into rupees. So here you can see 2078 paise is equal to rupees 20.78. Okay, now next example, 1800 paise or 1800 paise. Now this paise you have to convert into rupees. So what you are going to do? From the right side before the second digit. Now here from the right side before the second digit you have to give dot and then you have to write the symbol for rupee, means rupees 18. So in this way you can convert rupees into paise and then you can convert paise into rupees also. Okay. Now we'll see the next exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Look at the board here. First question, Read the question. Convert into paise. Convert into paise. See the first number. How many rupees are there? How many rupees are there? 1600 rupees. 1600. Now this rupees we have to convert into paise. So for that what we are going to do? What was our rule? Yes, we have seen one rule to convert rupees into paise. See students, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So what we have to do? Just we have to multiply it by 100 to the given rupees. Then it will be converted into paise. Now here 1600 is there. Okay. Then 1600 into 100. 1600 into 100. Now here what you will do? Just 6 into 1. 6 into 1. 6. Now see here, count how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write here 4 zeros. Okay. So it will be converted into paise. Okay. How many paises are there now? Yes. See, after 60 give a comma, 60,000 paise. Yes, it is 600 rupees. What we have done? Yes, rupees 600 into 100. We have to multiply it by 100 to the given amount. Then it will be converted into paise. Okay. Now see the next here, rupees 5. What you will do? Yes, you will just multiply it by 100 to the rupees. Now here how many rupees are there? 5. So 5 into 100 if we will do, then we will get the 500 paise. Okay. So rupees 5 is equal to what? 500 paise. Rupees 5 is equal to what? 500 paise. Because we have to convert into paise. So for that we have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees. Then it will be converted into paise. Next, third example. Rupees 450. Rupees 450. What we will do here? See here. 450 multiplied by 100. Because this is in rupee, this money is in rupee, and that we have to convert into paise. So for that we have to multiply it by 100. Now already you have learned one rule. If we are going to multiply it by 100 to any number, just you have to multiply it by 1 and then give zeros to the right side. Then 45 into 41, 45. 45 ones are 45. Then count how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So give 3 zeros and symbol for paisa. So rupees 450 is equal to 45,000 paise. Okay. Next, rupees 117. Rupees 117. What you will do? You will multiply it by 100 only. So 117 into 100. Just multiplied by 117. So give 2 zeros. Then you have to write the symbol for paise. So rupees 117 is equal to 11,700 paise. Next, rupees 67. Rupees 67 into 100 means 67,000 paise. Okay, sorry, 6,700 paise. Next, so rupees 732 into 100. Just give 2 zeros. 73,200 paise. Then rupees 87. 87 into 100. Yes, 87 into 100. 8,700 paise. Next, rupees 97 multiplied by 100. 97 into 100. 9,700 paise. Next, rupees 45. 45 into 100, 4500 paise. Next example, 10th one, 11 rupees 25 paise. Now here 11 rupees 25 paise means here first of all you have to multiply it by 100 to the rupees only, okay, and then whatever value you will get, in that you have to add 25 paise. So let us do the multiplication first. 11 rupees, that you have to convert into paise first. So 11 into 100 means 1100. This will be converted into paise. Now here we got this 11 rupees into paise, 1100 paise. Now in this amount we have to add remaining paise. Now here how many paises are there? 25 paise. So add 25 in this. So you will get 1125 paise. Okay, clear? In this way you have to solve the remaining example. 4 examples are remaining that you have to solve. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 2. Turn the page. See the B question. Convert into rupees. Now here they had given us the amount in the paise and we have to convert it into rupees. So what you have to do? See here we have seen one rule to convert into rupees. To convert into rupees, what you have to do? Here, to convert into rupees, just you have to remove the zeros. Okay, so here what we will do, we will just give a dot from the right side before the second digit. Now here in this example 600 paise is equal to, now this paise we have to convert into rupees. So what we will do, from the right side, now see here from the right side before second digit we have to put dot. Okay, so 1 2, this is the second digit, so before second digit we have to give a dot, then it will be converted into rupees. So 600 paise is equal to 6 rupees. Clear? Okay, now we'll go to the second example. 756 paise. What you will do, from the right side, see here, okay, remember this thing in your mind. If you want to convert into rupees, if you want to convert paise into rupees, then from the right side before second digit you have to put a 0. Okay, now see this example, 756 paise. This paise we have to convert into rupees. So before second digit from the right side, now this is the right side, from the right side before second digit, here in this number second digit is 5 from the right side. Okay, so before 5 you have to put a 0. So 756 paise is equal to rupees 7.56. rupees 7.56. Okay, now we'll move to the third example. See the number 1789 paise is equal to, now here what we will do, from the right side, see the right side, from the right side before second digit, now this is a 4-digit number, from the right side which one is the second digit? 8 is the second digit from the right side. Okay, so before 8 we have to put a dot, then it will be converted into rupees. So 1789 paise is equal to what? 17.89. Before second digit, means before 8 we have to give a dot. So rupees 17.89. Next, fourth example, 720 paise. 720 paise. This paise we have to convert into rupees. So what we have to do? From the right side, before the second digit we have to put a 0, then it will be converted into rupees. So see the number 720. Now from the right side, which is the second number? 2 is the second number. So before 2 we have to put a 0. So give a 0, give a dot, we have to put a dot, not 0. We have to put a dot before the second digit. Okay. Now here 2 is the second digit. So before 2 we have to put a dot. So rupees 7.20. 720 paise is equal to rupees 7.20. Now we'll move to the fifth example. 549 paise. 549 paise is equal to, see here, again this is a 3-digit number. This paise we have to convert into rupees. So from the right side, before second digit, from the right side, which one is the second digit? 4. So before 4 you have to give a dot. Okay, then it will be converted into rupees. So what will be the answer? Rupees 5.49. Now see here, 549. In this number, before second digit from the right side we have to put a dot. So rupees 5.49 means 549 paise. Okay. Now see the sixth example. Read the value 1200 paise. Now here, this is the example, like first one we have to do. Okay. Now in this example here 2 zeros are there. Okay. So just we have to remove 2 zeros. Okay. Or else you can do the same way from the right side. From before second digit you have to put a dot. So here 1200 paise means rupees 12.00. Now before second digit means here, before second digit means before 0 we have to give a dot. So the answer is rupees 12. Next, seventh number. Read the number 1640 paise. 1640 paise. Now what we will do? We have to convert this paise into rupees. So what we are going to do? Yes, from the right side, before second digit we have to put a dot. So see this number from the right side, which one is the second digit? Yes, 4 is the second digit. So before 4 we have to give a dot. Okay, then it will be converted into rupees. So rupees 16.40. 1640 paise is equal to what? Rupees 16.40. Next, 490 paise. 490 paise. Now this is a 3-digit number. This paise we have to convert into rupees. So for that there is one rule. What is the rule? From the right side, before second digit we have to give dot. So see this number, from the right side, which one is the second digit? 9 is the second digit. So before 9 we have to give a dot. So give a dot before 9, then what will be the number? Rupees 4.90. Okay, 490 paise is equal to rupees 4.90. Say rupees 4.90. Next, ninth example, 54 paise. 54 paise. Okay. Now here 54, it is a 2-digit number. That 54 paise we have to convert into rupees. So before second digit, from the right side, before second digit means here before 5 we have to give dot. Now before 5 No, nothing is there. So what we will do? Just we will write a 0, rupees 0.54. Rupees 0.54 means what? 54 paise. Okay. Next, 69 paise. Again same way, 69 it is 2-digit number. So before 6 we have to give a dot. So rupees 0.69. Next, 1500 paise. Now here 2 zeros are there. Just remove the 2 zeros. Rupees 15. Okay. Next, 178 paise. From the right side, which one is the second digit? 7 is the second digit. So before 7 you have to give a dot. So give a dot, rupees 1.78. Next, 670 paise. Now this is 3-digit number. From the right side, which one is the second digit? 7. So before 7 you have to give a dot. So rupees 6.75 means 670 paise. 14th number, 2000 paise. Now here 3 zeros are there. So from the right side, before second digit, here means before this 0 we have to give a dot. So rupees 20 means 2000 paise. And the last one, 800 paise. Now 800 paise before second digit means here 2 zeros are there. Before second digit means before the 0 we have to give a dot. So rupees 8 is equal to 800 paise. Okay. So in this way today we have seen how to do the conversion of rupees and paise, and after that we have completed exercise 3.2. In the next session we are going to do the addition of money. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.